Today, I'm going to show you how to deactivate a Facebook page. Facebook often changes designs and layouts, and sometimes new layout makes it difficult to locate the settings. I made this video following recent changes, and I hope you will find it useful. To get started, open your Facebook app and tap this three lines icon. This is my main profile. If you can see this icon next to your profile name, then tap it. And you will see the pages you manage. Or you can tap here. It will also show you the pages you manage. This is my page. Let's tap on the page name. Now, to deactivate the page, you will have to switch to your page from your main profile. Now you're on your page. Tap here. Now tap the gear icon. Then tap page setting. Scroll down until you see Facebook page information. In Facebook page information, tap Access and Control. Then tap Deactivation and Deletion. By default, Deactivate page is selected. Tap Continue. Now type your password and tap Continue. Select a reason why you want to deactivate your Facebook page. Select this is temporary, I'll be back. Then scroll down and tap Continue. Scroll down again and tap here. Select Don't Reactivate Automatically and tap Continue. Tap Continue again. Here check once again if you are deactivating the right page. Finally, tap Deactivate Page and your Facebook page will be deactivated. That's it. I hope this video helped you. If so, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.